Today's AI doesn't just read, it sees, hears, and watches. I'm going to walk you through what multimodal AI actually is in plain English. No hype, no jargon. By the end of this video, you will get it, and you will see why it matters in 2026. Let me start with an analogy. Going from a pen pal to a video call. That image is closer to the truth than most technical definitions. It strips away the jargon and gets to the part that actually matters. Here is the real definition. Multimodal AI is a model that can take in and output more than one kind of data: text, image, audio, video, in the same conversation. That is the entire concept in one sentence. Read it twice. Notice that nothing in there requires a math degree or a CS background to understand. The reason multimodal AI confuses people is not because it is genuinely hard. It is because most explanations are wrapped in unnecessary jargon. The rest of this video is the 3 things you need to actually understand it. 3 things to know about multimodal AI. Pillar 1, one model, many inputs. Image plus text plus audio go in together. Here is how this works in practice. First, you snap, AI sees. That is the starting point, what triggers the whole process. Then you talk, AI hears. This middle step is where the heavy lifting happens. Finally, you write, AI reads. That is the outcome the user actually sees. The key takeaway, all 3 become one prompt. Once you see this pattern in multimodal AI, you will spot it everywhere. Pillar 2, shared semantic space. The secret is embeddings. There are 2 sides to this. On one side, same vector whether text, image, or sound. That's the dog view. On the other, reason across modalities. That's the compare any view. Different formats, same meaning. 2 angles, same multimodal AI. Pillar 3, any output too, not just receive, create. This is the part most beginners miss, and once it clicks, the rest falls into place. Look at how it ranges in real-world examples. At one end you have essays, ChatGPT. In the middle, art, DALL. In the middle, voices, ElevenLabs. At the other end, clips, Sora VO. Out via any sense too. You can think of this as the part of multimodal AI that turns theory into something usable, the part you actually pay for and feel as a user. Why this matters from screen to senses. There are 2 big drivers behind multimodal AI today. The first is agents. Use eyes plus ears, complete real tasks. Without this, multimodal AI would still be a research curiosity nobody outside academia talked about. The second is access. Speak, not type, AI for everyone. This is what tipped multimodal AI into the mainstream and made it usable for real products. AI finally interacts like humans. The science was waiting for the hardware. Now both have arrived. So when should you actually reach for multimodal AI? There are 3 signals to watch for. Use it when one of these is true. First, screenshots plus chat equals quick debug. Second, voice mode while driving. Third, image search by description. When you see any of those signals, multimodal AI is usually the right call. Most beginners default to whatever AI tool is open in front of them, but the better move is to match the tool to the problem. If your task hits one of those 3 signals, you will get noticeably better results out of multimodal AI than out of a generic chatbot. Now the flip side, there are also situations where you should skip multimodal AI entirely. Avoid it when, first, text-only tasks, cheaper model. Second, ultra-precise math, text only. Third, private data via voice carries risks. Picking the right tool for the right problem is half the skill of working with AI in 2026. Multimodal AI is powerful, but only when the problem fits. Using it in the wrong situation costs you time, costs you money, and gives you worse answers than something simpler would. That is the most common mistake, reaching for the most capable tool when a smaller one would do the job better. Here is the wild part. You probably use multimodal AI every single day without realizing it. Think about voice chat, face ID, visual search, live caption, auto tag, and voice nav. Every one of those is multimodal AI hiding in plain sight. Most people never notice, but now you will. You live in multimodal AI today. The reason most people miss this is that multimodal AI usually runs invisibly. It is the layer between you and the result, the part you never see. But once you know what to look for, you start spotting it across every modern tool. That awareness is half the value of this entire course, recognizing the AI patterns that already shape your daily software, so you can use them on purpose instead of by accident. Let me close with a quick 3-line recap so this sticks. 1. One model, many modalities. 2. Text plus image plus audio plus video. 3. Interact naturally with AI. That is multimodal AI in plain English in under 5 minutes. If even one of those 3 lines clicked, you now understand more about multimodal AI than most people who use it every day. If this clicked, follow Terminode AI. We are building the simplest map to modern AI, one word at a time. Every video is short, sharp, and built so a complete beginner can keep up. Next up, what is machine learning? See you there.